Hello guys, welcome to Beyond the Degree. Today we are going to be looking at something very interesting. We are going to learn how we can remove a background from a picture. So you are tired of messy backgrounds ruining your pictures, or that one random person who always sneaks into your pictures and makes them look so messy. Well, I'm going to show you the easiest ways you can remove backgrounds, unwanted backgrounds from your pictures, and how you can also erase unwanted objects or people from your pictures. So let's just get straight into it. So we're going to be using Canva to do this. So just head over to your web browser and search Canva. So once you open your Canva page or the website, on the home page, you see various elements or various things that you can do with Canva. So we just come to photo editor. Select the photo editor, then you upload the image that you want to remove the background or you want to edit. So you just click on the upload photo. So it will take you to your folders on your PC. Then you select the image that you want to remove the background. So if you have the picture saved anywhere, you have to select that folder. So I have the images that I'm going to use are just here. So I'll just select one, then I'll open it. So once you upload your image, you now have to select create design just right on top of the image that you've uploaded, to then take you to a new page where you're going to be working on removing the background. So you just click on the picture. Once it opens, then you select background remover just atop the picture. So we are going to erase this background and replace it. So you can see that the background has been removed. Now we want to replace this with a different image. So you just come to the left side panel of your page, then you click on upload. Here we are going to upload a different image which has the right background that we want to use, because we don't like this background. So we will select this image. We want the woman to be standing in front of a grocery shop. So this is the second image that we've uploaded. You just drag it, but make sure that it doesn't fill the whole workspace, because it will replace the woman. So you just drag it and put it somewhere halfway through. Then you select position. Then we are going to move this image to the back. So now it has gone behind the woman. Then we'll just expand it. We drag it to the left, drag it in the various directions so that it fits perfectly in this space. So just like that, we have a new background and the woman is standing right in front of a grocery shop about entering, and nobody would even realize that this was an edited image. So just like that, the background is gone and you can download it right away. You just click on share, then you download it. I want to experiment some more on how we can remove unwanted objects. So I want to upload a new image, then that image has people in the frame, so I would show you how you be able to remove the people from it. But before that, let's just select the image with the woman. As you can see, this is the image with the woman. So we select it, then we change the position, we move it to the back, just right here. So now I want to replace this current image with the background with another image of people inside, so that I will show you how you can remove people from the image. So you come back to upload, then I have some pictures of people walking on the street. So I would upload that image. to replace this current one. So this is it. Once uploaded, I'll just drag it to replace this one, the current image. So just hover, then it now replaces the new one. So you would then have to move the position to the back so the woman can show. So as you can see, the woman has now showed in the frame. You can adjust the image so that it doesn't look like she wasn't part of the image. So just like that, I have brought her into the image. So I want to remove some people from the image. Just come to edit image, then you select magic eraser. So here you are going to highlight the element that you want taken off the image, and I have decided I want to take this woman in the black stockings from the image. So you just start using the eraser element on her, start selecting it all around her. So just like that, I've selected it. Then you come to erase. So she'll be taken off the picture, and just like that, she's no longer in the picture, and it never looked like she was inside. So maybe I want to remove a couple more people from me, so I want this woman also taken off the picture. So this is the same procedure you are going to use if you want to remove people from your picture that have spoiled it. So she has also been removed from the picture. So that's just about it, and the people edited from it. So just like that, you have been able to remove people and element from the image, and you can download it right away. So you just come to share on the right side, then you download. You can choose the format you want to download your image. So I will select JPEG and choose the highest quality, and then boom, I'll have a new image. And once someone sees this, the person will not even realize it has been edited. I have taken out a couple of people from the image, and I even added this lady right here, and it looks like an original image. So that's just how you go about it. If you have an image, just upload it to Canva, follow the procedure that has been demonstrated in the video, then you'll be able to remove backgrounds, replace them with different backgrounds, and also crop out people from the image. So just in case you need some designs done for you, Nascent Graphics is the place to go. We help with flyers, posters, logo design, brochures, CVs, and many more. Just reach out to us in the comment section and we'll get your designs done. Thank you for joining us for today, and look forward to more exclusive and relevant videos on Beyond the Degree.